How to transfer money from Cash App to your bank account. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to transfer money from Cash App to your bank account. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application as shown here. You will land on the homepage of the app, where various options are available to help you navigate to different sections. From those options, tap on the bank icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. After tapping on it, you will be taken to a page where you'll see different money-related options. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Next, go to the top section of the page and tap the option labeled Withdraw. After that, a menu will appear with a slider. You can use the slider by dragging it left or right to choose how much money you want to transfer. Alternatively, you can tap the amount displayed to manually enter the exact figure you'd like to send. Now, scroll to the bottom section of the screen, where you will see two options for how you'd like the money to be transferred. The first option is Standard Transfer. It sends the money without any fee, but it may take 1 to 3 business days to reach your account. The second option is Instant Transfer. It sends the money instantly to your bank account, but includes a small fee. Choose the option that suits you best and follow the prompts to complete the transfer. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to transfer money from Cash App to your bank account. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is, how to transfer money from Cash App to your bank account.